Welcome to Brainetainment, your favorite destination for engaging and enlightening content. Today we delve into the world of health, focusing on a tropical delight, coconut milk. Coconut milk, an exotic creamy liquid extracted from the flesh of mature coconuts. It's a staple in tropical cuisines and a delicious alternative to dairy. But did you know it's also a treasure trove of health benefits? That's right. This humble drink is more than just a tasty treat, and in this video we'll explore exactly why that is. From its rich nutritional profile to its wide array of health benefits, the coconut milk is a wonder beverage that deserves a spot in your daily diet. Whether you've been a long-time fan or you're new to this tropical delight, prepare to be surprised as we uncover the incredible power of coconut milk. So, are you ready to embark on this journey? Stay tuned as we unravel the hidden benefits of drinking coconut milk daily. Before we dive into its benefits, it's crucial to understand what coconut milk is. Coconut milk, not to be confused with coconut water, is a creamy, rich liquid derived from the flesh of mature coconuts. It's made by grating the coconut flesh, soaking it in hot water, and then squeezing out the milk through a cheesecloth or fine strainer. Coconut milk has been a staple in many tropical cuisines for centuries. From the spicy curries of Thailand to the hearty stews of the Caribbean, it adds a unique, creamy flavor that's hard to resist. Over in India, it's used in a variety of dishes, both sweet and savory, like the famous payaisam. Down in South America, it's a key ingredient in traditional Brazilian seafood stew known as moqueca. Now that we know what coconut milk is, let's explore its impressive health benefits. Coconut milk packs a nutritional punch, and here's why. Let's dive into the exciting world of coconut milk's nutritional profile. This tropical delight is a rich source of several essential nutrients that contribute to our overall health. It's like a superhero in the realm of nutrition, with its cape adorned with symbols of vitamins, minerals, and other key nutrients. Let's start with the vitamins. Coconut milk is brimming with C and E vitamins. Vitamin C, often associated with citrus fruits, is also found in abundance in coconut milk. It's a potent antioxidant and plays a crucial role in fortifying our body's natural defenses. Vitamin E, on the other hand, is a fat-soluble nutrient that protects our cells from damage by free radicals. Coconut milk doesn't stop there. It also contains a wealth of essential minerals such as magnesium, potassium, and iron. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions in our bodies, from protein formation to energy creation. Potassium helps regulate fluid balance, nerve signals, and muscle contractions. And iron? It's a vital component of hemoglobin, the substance in red blood cells that carries oxygen from our lungs to transport it throughout our bodies. Now, let's talk about the fats in coconut milk. Yes, coconut milk is high in saturated fats, but don't be too quick to dismiss it. The majority of these fats are medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, specifically lauric acid. MCTs are swiftly metabolized by the liver, providing a quick source of energy or being turned into ketones, which can have powerful benefits for brain health. And let's not forget fiber. A single cup of coconut milk provides a good amount of dietary fiber, promoting digestive health and contributing to feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight management. So, you see, coconut milk is not just a tasty addition to your favorite recipes. It's a nutrient-dense powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber. Armed with such nutritional firepower, coconut milk offers a plethora of health benefits. And in the next segment, we'll delve into these health benefits in more detail, so stay tuned. The daily intake of coconut milk can positively impact your health in various ways. Let's delve into this a bit more, shall we? When it comes to heart health, coconut milk is a true champion. It's rich in lauric acid, a type of medium-chain fatty acid. Now, despite being a saturated fat, lauric acid is actually beneficial for your heart. It helps to lower bad cholesterol levels and increase good cholesterol, thereby promoting a healthier heart and reducing the risk of heart disease. Moving on, we find that coconut milk is a fantastic aid for digestion. It's high in fiber content, which we all know is beneficial for the digestive system. This fiber assists in maintaining regular bowel movements and can even help prevent constipation. But it doesn't stop there. Coconut milk is also a source of electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which are essential for maintaining proper digestive function and preventing conditions like IBS and diverticulitis. Another incredible advantage of coconut milk lies in its immune-boosting properties. This tropical beverage is packed with nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin E, and several B vitamins. These nutrients, along with the antimicrobial properties of lauric acid, help bolster your immune system, making you more resistant to infections and diseases. But what about the external benefits? Well, coconut milk doesn't disappoint in that area either. It's a powerhouse of vitamins and minerals that are known to enhance skin and hair health. For instance, its high vitamin C content aids in maintaining skin elasticity and flexibility. Plus, it's packed with copper, which helps to prevent wrinkles, age spots, and sagging skin. And when it comes to your hair, coconut milk's natural fatty acids nourish the scalp and hair follicles, promoting growth and leaving your hair shiny and healthy. Additionally, coconut milk's rich content of iron can help prevent anemia. People who are vegan or vegetarian can particularly benefit from this, as coconut milk can serve as an excellent plant-based source of iron. For those who suffer from lactose intolerance, coconut milk provides a wonderful alternative to dairy milk. It's lactose-free, which means it can be enjoyed without causing any of those unpleasant digestive issues associated with lactose intolerance. Lastly, coconut milk is known to provide a quick and efficient energy boost. Its medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, are easily absorbed by the body and used for energy, which can help improve athletic performance and aid in weight loss efforts. Intriguing, isn't it? But that's not all. There's more to this tropical delight. So stick around as we continue to explore the hidden benefits and uses of coconut milk. Beyond these health benefits, coconut milk has some additional perks up its sleeve. Coconut milk is not just a delicious tropical treat, it's also a secret weapon when it comes to weight loss. Yes, you heard that right. While it may seem counterintuitive given its high fat content, its medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs, can actually aid in weight reduction. These MCTs are rapidly metabolized by the body, which can increase energy expenditure and help you burn more calories. But the benefits don't stop at weight loss. Coconut milk is also a superstar in the kitchen. It's a culinary chameleon, able to adapt to a variety of dishes. It can add a rich, creamy texture to soups, stews, and curries, and it can impart a subtle sweetness to desserts and baked goods. Its unique flavor profile can elevate a dish from good to great, and its versatility makes it a staple in many cuisines around the world. Plus, it's not just for cooking. Coconut milk can also be used in a variety of beverages. It can be stirred into coffee or tea for a dairy-free creamer option, or blended into smoothies for a boost of tropical flavor. It's even used in some cocktail recipes for a hint of exotic allure. And for those with dietary restrictions, coconut milk is a real game changer. It's a fantastic substitute for those who are lactose intolerant or allergic to cow's milk. It's also a great choice for vegans or those following a dairy-free diet. And unlike some other dairy alternatives, it doesn't compromise on taste or texture, making it a popular choice for many. Even beyond the kitchen, coconut milk has uses. You might be surprised to learn that it's also used in beauty treatments. Its moisturizing properties can make your skin feel soft and smooth, and its natural oils can give your hair a healthy shine. So, coconut milk is not just nutritious, it's versatile too. With so many uses and benefits, it's no wonder that coconut milk is gaining popularity. Give it a try and you might find it becomes a staple in your diet and lifestyle. Clearly, coconut milk is more than just a tropical treat. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, offering a wealth of benefits that can enhance your health and well-being. We've explored its impressive nutritional profile, rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, and how this translates into remarkable health benefits. From boosting your immune system and improving digestion to promoting heart health and enhancing skin and hair quality, the advantages of incorporating coconut milk into your daily diet are simply astounding. Beyond its health benefits, coconut milk also brings a unique flavor and creaminess to your culinary adventures. It's a versatile ingredient that can easily be included in a variety of dishes and drinks. So, why not make it a staple in your kitchen? Thank you for joining us on Braintainment. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, your health is your wealth, so consider adding a daily dose of coconut milk to your diet.